What about you mentioned a couple of the players, but if you had to choose a couple of players who you think might make a difference in this game on the Nigeria team, tell me who.
On the Nigerian team, it would have to be Mikel based on his experience, but another individual in goal, Francis Ozoho, he's going to be very busy. He had a friendly against England quite recently where England had numerous opportunities to put the game to bed, perhaps even 5 or 6 goals. But it was just 2-1 on a day. He had made some brilliant saves. So at the back, Francis Ozoho is the one to watch. Has an under-17 World Cup medal to his name as well.
On the screen, they have Moses' name down there. You don't think he would have the quality and the experience to do something?
He does have the quality, yes, but my concern is he's quite an enigma. You're not sure what type of player you're going to get. Is he going to carry that performance that we've seen in the Premier League, or is he going to be absent or anonymous in this game? So unpredictable.
What do you think? Who will the players you
well, Alex Iwobi, a youngster from Arsenal, I think he will have to do a lot of work. In that same game against England, he was the one that really... They made a tactical change because they were overrun in the first half, and he came in and he played a little more high up the park, a little more central, and he was able to get a goal and get them back into the contest.